fundador y director de la comunidad Zion del Sur Africano, La comunidad aquí está una asociación de fiel cristiana católica. Sister Mary está un laico devoto, soltero, un voto en el público de la comunidad aquí por 1980. Se que viene de viva mundo de la comunidad y anda viva manera absurda, pero no absurda, religiosa, pero no de la comunidad. Su ministerio que está practicado full-time para centrar en formación, crecimiento espiritual y vida cristiana, intercedor y también trabajo personal con una entrada económica a nivel abajo. En la Panamérica de diferentes mecanismos. Sister Mary ayuda al Instituto Getsemaní de Espiritualidad Cristiana. Y tiene un grado de maestra de espiritualidad cristiana y es certificado para una dirección espiritual. Además, ella trae como un consejero, y da un consejo individual y también formación para vida un consejero. Manera de estudiar su deseo era trabajar y colaborar con intercedora, con Teresa para salvación y nacional y para la iglesia llega a la restauración. Sister Mary, we are very welcome for our new visitors. Again, as you know, we are welcome. So let's give her a round of applause.
The topic this evening is Lent as a gift and repentance as a gift from the Lord. So tonight I want to pray with you a simple understanding of repentance, that you can look into your own life. I can look into my own life, into my own family, and try to explore how repentance works in my life. And answer the question, have I really repented? Am I walking in a life of repentance? And more than anything else, am I helping others to experience repentance? And therefore I chose for you tonight on the prayer. I chose the story of Zacchaeus. And I will read it. And I will read it and then we will explore it. He entered Jericho. And was going through the town.
Jesús entró a Jericó y estaba pasando de su ciudad.
And suddenly a man whose name was Zacchaeus
Sabe que um homem que chama Zaqueu
made his appearance.
estava com a jefe de cobradora Nicolaste e estava com a pipopi placa.
He was one of the senior tax collectors and a wealthy man. He kept trying to see the rich.
Estava com a busca moda de mira para quem Jesus está.
He kept trying to see which Jesus was, but he was too short.
Pero ele não logra se tratar com homem
And
bobi.
he could not see him from the crowd.
Estava com a pipopi e estava com o homem
So he ran
que
ahead
Ele será correr para ser multitud
and climbed a sycamore tree.
e subiu palo de figo para
Catch a glimpse of Jesus.
pôr a mira a Jesus. Passou para Jesus,
About to pass that way.
besteira passa ele.
When Jesus reached the spot,
Quando Jesus aí naquele lugar aí,
he looked up.
ela vai arriba,
Ah,
ela visa,
hurry!
Zaqueu vai olhar,
Zacchaeus, come down.
Zaqueu vai olhar.
Because I am going to stay at your house
A ele me cerca da cerca mu,
today.
a ele.
And he turned and he hurried down and welcomed him joyfully.
Zaqueu vai purar e receber Jesus contento.
They all complained when they saw what was happening.
Durante a mira lo que passa, a murmurar e visa,
He has gone to stay at a sinner's house.
ela vai quedar na casa de pecador.
But Zacchaeus stood his ground.
Zaqueu lá para
He said to the Lord,
e avisa Senhor,
look, sir,
me dá tudo ele, pobre, me dá de possessão.
I'm going to give half of my property to the poor. And if I have cheated anybody,
E se arranca a placa por de ele,
I will pay it back
me dá tudo 4 vezes mais tanto back.
4 times the amount.
4 vezes mais tanto back. Mais
And
tanto.
Jesus said to him,
Eu Jesus avise,
today,
awe,
salvation has come to your house.
salvação a visitar a casa aqui.
Because this man too
Passou a homem aqui também,
is a son of Abraham.
da Yudi Abraham.
For the Son of Man
Yudi gente,
has come to seek
a bini para buscar
and save
e salvar,
what was lost.
é suco da perdido.
The word of the Lord.
Palabra viviente.